How to lock a page in Google Docs. So currently, adding a singular page in Google Docs is not possible. It is not a feature that has been implemented yet. The only way to fully lock a document when sharing it to other people is to go to File, Download as a PDF file, and then share that with other people. Locking a page in Google Docs is simply not possible the way it is in Google Slides or Google Sheets, for example, where you can lock specific cells and restrict certain people or everyone to block them from editing a page or just giving them a warning when editing certain cells. Now, you can share, select anyone with the link, copy the link, and go to Google Forms and basically have them fill out a form where they can type in a certain password, and then after they typed in the password, they can have access to the link. And here you can choose whether you want them to be a viewer, commenter, or editor. In this case, you'd select viewer. You can only lock the entire document and not a certain page in Google Docs.